Hello and welcome to Pongo Quick Start. Today I'm going to show you how these add-ons can improve your architectural workflow within a minute. Let's dive in. As former architect, I have created this 3D space using SketchUp. It's quite easy to export 3D models from SketchUp to Blender. Simply go to File, then Export, and select 3D models. Ensure that the units are in meters, then click OK and export. Please comment below if you want us to make a tutorial for modeling in architecture in Blender. Once the export is successful, open Blender and import the 3D model immediately. Currently, the scene is quite dark, so we need to set up the environment lighting using Nishita Sky. As you can see, the materials are rather dull. To improve them, we can use Pongo Material Converter add-on to apply boilerplate materials. The add-on is smart enough to detect whether glass or other materials. This saves time when you have a large number of materials to convert. We also need to change the material texture since it's low resolution. I'm using textures from textures.com. The free version is sufficient for this case. But higher resolution textures are available for purchase. With this boilerplate, we have control over roughness, bump, mapping, and color. I'll speed up the process for the rest of the materials. From here, we can go straight to the asset browser to decorate our design with optimized and curated assets from PongoLibrary. Use the search bar to find assets by name. Drag and drop assets will show download process like this. Once it's done, the assets stored in local storage, so you can use it freely. With this method, everything can be built up in under 15 minutes. I'll just speed up this process. As a designer, we tend to fill the 3D space with real-world furniture. In this case, PongoLibrary come to rescue since almost every assets are curated for real-world uses. PongoLibrary also name its vegetation with its Latin name, so you can synchronize your landscape with your landscape designer. As you can see here, I'm using particle system from Blender to simulate the distribution of my shrubs like in a real world. It's a piece of cake. Next, let's set up some scenes. Start by creating a camera and then placing it where desired. Adjust some elements so the camera composition works best. Also, don't forget to make some adjustment for the lighting. Repeat this process to create additional scenes. With the Scene Manager add-on, you can manage all the scenes as intended. Just add some scene to it. You can choose camera, the world settings, even other advanced settings. The settings bind to its scenes, so when you switch between scenes, you don't need to set up all over again. After a while, you may notice that the design needs some adjustments, especially for the openings. We need more light to enter the room. In this case, go back to SketchUp to make unnecessary changes. Then export the model again. Here I have the updated version of SketchUp. As you can see, the openings are wider now. Let's export it again. When you import the updated model into Blender, you'll see that all of the materials are duplicated. With the Pongo Update Material add-on, you can relink all the materials with the original one, saving time and effort. Once you are satisfied with the design, it's time to render it. Choose a scene from Scene Manager and render it right away. Alternatively, you can use Batch Render to render multiple scenes at once. Click on the scenes you want to render, then specify the output folder. The scenes will be rendered to that folder with subfolders for each scene name. With powerful add-ons like this, we can eliminate unnecessary, time-consuming work and focus on the designing our spaces. I hope you get a good grasp after watching this. Please let me know in the comment if you like this type of video and make sure to check the Pongo add-ons. Link in the description. And see you next time.